Smash Alkaline, smash him all the way.
He needs some milk.
What's up, guys? And I got Tony and Martin here, back with another YouTube video. I changed my phone in also, which I must clear now. So today, I'm going to smash our pass and ratings. So smash our pass for the man them and ratings for the girl. So without further ado, let's get right into the... Give me a minute. Yeah, let's get right into the video. First artist is Alkaline. Smash. Next artist is Vybz Kartel. Pass. I'm like, Kartel. I'm just not a fan of Kartel. That's how I'm a pass. Yeah. Massacre. Pass. Popcorn. Pass. Squash. Pass. In belly too big. Riding King. Pass. No reason I just want to pass you. Daddy one. Pass. TJ.
Sorry
Pass,
guys, I
too
just
fat.
realized I didn't have a picture of TJ.
Pass. Too fat. Tommy Lee Sparta. Too much tattoo and look like they've so pass. So now we are going over the girls. Go rate the girls. So first girl we have is Jada. Jada. I like you, Jada. Yeah, you know your style. You love rocking natural ear. I love you. So I'm going to give you out of 10. 8 out of 10. Next one now is Shenseea. Period, boo. Period. I love Shenseea. 10 out of 10. Sorry, I'm going to tell you what I love with Shenseea. Her style. She ever come out with some banger hairstyle. And for tell the truth, if I hear enough, me that try it. But watch my mother there. My head not enough. So yeah. So without no further ado, next one, Danique. 6 out of 10. Like a style. Spice. 5 out of 10 because you see you have too much plastic surgery. But I like the song. I feel away. I feel away.
And Pass Intense, Pass Iwater, and Smash Dexter. Smash Dexter.
Sorry about that, guys. I did have to answer one call. Yeah. So, without no further ado, I'm walking. Let's get right back into the video. Yeah, guys. As I was saying, no, coffee. 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 6. Yanni Curvy Diva. 7. I like your style. You ever have style. Aishana. Ooh, you are a freak. You are a freak, but I like your song them say me, so I give you 8. Nikwa. I like her song when you give you 9, my girl. 9, my girl. 9. 9, my girl. Try. Shanice, I'm a girl that. 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. Period. Stardoll.
And at this point, I didn't realize that I didn't have Stardoll.
Pretty. 8. Last but not least, Talk Ashley. 5. About 5. 8. So guys, thank you for watching. Like. So guys, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, comment, turn on the post notification bell. And until the Tonya Martin, I'm out.